If the Play Store disappeared from your Google TV, don't worry. It's usually hidden, disabled, or blocked by a glitch. Here's how you can still find it. Solution 1. Look for it in the apps list. Sometimes the Play Store doesn't show on the home screen. From your Google TV home screen, go to the App section. Look for Google Play Store from here. In most cases, you should be able to find it. If it's hidden, try the next solution. Solution 2. Check System Apps. It might be hidden. Scroll to the far right side of your screen. Select Settings. Now, open Apps. Go to See All Apps. Then, scroll down and select Google Play Store. Make sure it's enabled, or else you'll not find it in your home screen. Now, select Open from here to open Play Store. So guys, that's how you basically find your missing Google Play Store on Google TV. Hope you found this guide helpful. And if you did, then be sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot for watching.